Today I'm going to be showing you how to program your fob key to your BMW. If you have a diamond key like this, of course my key can turn on my car, but doesn't lock or unlock. What you're going to do, you're going to insert the key in the first position. You're going to insert the key in the first position. The first position is just these lights, not the second position, the first position. Okay, so you're going to put it in the first position, take it out. You're going to hold the unlock and lock 3 times, press it, and then let it go, and you're going to have it cycle. I believe you just heard it. And now if you have more than one key, all you have to do is just do what I just showed you with this key, and with the second key you won't have to do it. Just all you have to do is the pressing with the buttons, which will be holding the unlock and pressing the lock button 3 times, then let it go, and the other key also would be programmed. And that's it. If this helped you out, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.